Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be microwaving celery. If you've ever wondered what a stick of celery does in the microwave, you're about to find out. And here is Demi, the microwave, who's going to be demonstrating for you what celery does. Now let's examine to see what we did. Microwaved celery. Let's take it out with a precision spatula. Whoa, celery's going limp. That's gonna make this episode PG-13. If you're too young to get that one, just ask your parents, kids. Now, the celery looks nice and soft and like it's ready to eat. So I'm going to say this was a good idea. Just don't do it in a microwave that you already microwaved stuff like light bulbs in.